Oh, Tornado Twister YouTube, I think. His name, I don't know what the YT stands for. Look, see, you promised me some great stuff. You promised me a drawing tablet. Yeah, I want that drawing tablet. I want a drawing tablet screen. Okay? Twister, yeah, he's good content. I'm glad that you do my OC in a live stream of his. Yeah, he has cool content and, great animations. Okay, where's the drawing tablet? You promised me a drawing tablet, remember? This is the science contract. This contract says, here, you're gonna give me a free drawing tablet for the screen. Okay, give me